High wind warning in effect from 4 p.m. this afternoon to 6 a.m. Alaska Daylight Time Tuesday. What? Northeast winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour expected. Where? Juneau area, especially near downtown Juneau and Lemon Creek. When? From 4 p.m. this afternoon to 6 a.m. Alaska Daylight Time Tuesday. Impacts. Damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Travel will be difficult, especially for aviation and high-profile vehicles. Additional details. Peak winds expected near downtown Juneau Monday evening. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring.